welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of introducing you something awesome that I found lately. So if you know me, you know that I am really organized and I love planning everything, and I have been looking for a planner since like forever, but I couldn't find the one I was looking for, so I was using a one that's made by myself. But recently, after coming here, I came across this awesome journal, and this video is not sponsored at all. I thought since I found the perfect one, I should introduce this to you. And this is by the Nightshades Stationaries. It's a made in Sri Lanka product, so that's why I thought of like telling you guys, because back in Sri Lanka I was looking for one but I couldn't find one. So this is how the packaging looks like, and it came with this very cute cards that I love. So the planner cover was inspired by a Japanese art form called kitsungi. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but this is where they use gold epoxy to transform broken pieces of pottery into beautiful and unique products. So the idea behind kitsungi is that we shouldn't be ashamed of our flaws and imperfections, and they are just a part of our story, and they help us become stronger and genuine versions of ourselves. It consists of a journal and two planners, one from January to July and the other one is from July to December. So this is their journal, and it's completely centered on self-love, and it has different like activities to discover who you are and how to become a better version of yourself. This is the first planner. It's from January to the end of June. And again, it's designed to maximize your efficiency and maximize your health, mental health, and also the physical health. And there are like different settings to set our goals and how to like have a summary of what we went through the year. And there's the monthly focus where we write our monthly goals, and it has separate pages for days that we can put our schedule, the focus goal, the mini goals, and the most important section is the self-love one, which reminds us to hydrate, do something we love. This is the second planner, and it looks exactly like the same, but it has a quarterly review to review the first 6 months of our year. There are a lot of benefits of using a planner, and the very first one is it helps you to manage your time and improve your productivity. And using a planner means you're less likely to forget something important. One thing I discovered after using a planner for a very long time is that it helps to remove the decision fatigue from my life, which was a major problem I had. Every night I plan the next day, so when that day actually comes, I know what to do next, so I will not spend wasting time wondering what to do, which actually used to happen to me, and I wasted most of my time because I didn't know what to do and I had a lot of tasks in my list. This journal and planners are very special to me because they are all centered on self-love. It keeps reminding me to take care of myself and love myself more, because it affects not only your studies but as well as your other areas in your life. So if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any video suggestions. I would be happy to do them for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon from another video.